Hi, so welcome all to today. In this episode I'll show you how to update map version on your TomTom VIA 120 GPS device. The procedure remains same in all VIA 100, 120 and 125. So after showing you this video, my audience will get a good knack of how to update maps on their TomTom device. So what we'll need is a TomTom GPS device and a data cable. So this data cable helps you to connect and communicate between your laptop and your GPS device. So let me turn on my device. Here's your power button. If you see carefully, behind your device is a power button. You press it and the device turns on with a startup image. You can also change the startup image. How you do that, I'll show you it in the later videos. So this is my startup screen. So first let me tell you how to check and where to check what's the version of map in it right now. So what I'll do is I'll press on this car symbol. It takes me to my menu. You've got settings here, so we press on the settings tab, and now what we do is we go to the next screen. We keep going until we see settings button here. So you've got settings and then we are on version information. So if you see here, this is your version information. This tells you about the version. Now if you see map, the second last option, map India version 8.90. This was released on April 2012. So now this is like every quarter TomTom releases a map version, and as an introductory offer they are giving their map updates free for lifetime when you buy a new TomTom device, which is a pretty good deal. So my map is pretty old. It's for April 2012. Version is 8.90. So let me check if there is a new update available or not. So now what I'll show you is how do we update the map. So to update your map, first thing that you would need is you need a TomTom communicator plugin, which would help to communicate with your device. For this you need to download this plugin from a website. I'll write the link here. So this is tomtom.com/get started. So this is the link that you should go. Now when you go here, you can download this link from the website tomtom.com/get started, and once you've downloaded this, it would help you download the latest map, any GPS fixes that are available on the TomTom site. So since I've already downloaded it on my computer, I'll show you how do we move ahead. Now this is your data cable. So what I'll do is I'll connect this data cable with my device. This goes in here and the USB slot goes here on my laptop. So the moment I connect this, it opens my TomTom page. Now I want you to see this carefully. If you see, it's on my TomTom page and it shows VIA 120 connected. VIA 120 connected. So what I'll do is I go on my TomTom. It says logged in as pandeymaru@yahoo.co.in. So now for the first time when you download this, you'll have to connect your device and register it with an email ID, because this email ID would be used for all the communications by TomTom. So now let me see what is the status on this device. It says update found your navigation device. There are 2 new updates available. So let me go to manage content. Now when I go here on manage content, it would show me what all is available for my device. So if you see here, it says connect your navigation device to your computer, log in with your my TomTom account. I click on login. It's asking me for my password. I enter my password here. I click on login. Now see, it says new items. There are 2 new items. One is quick GPS fix and another one is India map, which is version 9.0. So if you remember, my device had an old version which was 8.90. So now there is a new map version available. So what I do here is, this is 60.1 KB and this is 863.6 MB. So as a suggestion, try and be on a LAN connection, local area network connection. Don't prefer Wi-Fi for this, because if at any case you lose your Wi-Fi signals or there is any interference, LAN is always better than a Wi-Fi connection because it's a direct connection. So when you're on LAN connection, you click on install here. Now the moment I click on install, it gives me updating here. It gives me updating here, and on the device you can see it changes the status on the device also. So if we wait for some time, it would start updating. Right now I'm on a Wi-Fi, so it will take some time, but then yes, you can see here 0% done and the time that is remaining. So after this time, once it's lapsed and once it's done, you will have the latest map on your TomTom device. So this is how you update your maps on your TomTom device. Thank you for watching this video.